Today I'll show you how to navigate Substack. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where everything is and how to create a quick post or note without feeling lost or overwhelmed. Let's start from the very beginning. Open your web browser and go to substack.com. If you already have an account, make sure you're logged in. If not, you'll need to sign up first so that you can access all the features we're about to walk through. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main Substack interface, which is where all the navigation happens. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the main navigation menu. This is your control panel for moving around Substack. You'll find options like Home, Subscription, Chat, Activity, Explore, Profile, and Create. It's helpful to think of this left sidebar as your map. Home is where you'll see a feed of posts and notes from the writers and publications you follow. It's like your personalized front page. Subscription is where you can manage what you're subscribed to, adjust your preferences, and discover what you're currently paying for or following for free. Chat gives you access to more conversational spaces where writers and readers can talk in a more casual back and forth style. Activity is where all your notifications live. When someone likes, comments on, or replies to something you've written, or when there's an update from a publication you follow, it will usually show up there. Explore is where you can discover new writers, newsletters, and topics. If you're ever looking for something new to read or follow, that's the place to go. Your profile section is where you manage how you appear on Substack. You can edit your bio, your profile image, and see your own posts and notes. And finally, the create option is where you go when you want to start something new, like a newsletter post, a podcast episode, or a note. Now let's focus on creating a quick note because that's one of the easiest ways to start posting on Substack. At the top of your screen, you'll see a prompt that says, "What's on your mind?" Go ahead and click that. This is Substack's way of inviting you to share a short thought, update, or idea with your audience. Once you click it, a text box will open. Here you can add your text. This can be anything from a quick announcement to a short reflection to a link you want to share with a bit of commentary. Try to keep it clear and to the point since notes are usually shorter and more casual than full newsletter posts. Below or around that text area, you'll see options to enhance your note. You can add an image if you want to include a photo, graphic, or screenshot. You can add a video to share something more dynamic. You may also see options to schedule your note so it goes out at a future time, or even include things like a prediction market if that's supported in your workspace. Use these tools to make your note more engaging, but only if they help communicate your message. When you're happy with what you've written and anything you've added, look for the post button. Give everything a quick review to make sure it says what you want it to say, and then click post. Your note will be published and shared with your audience. And that's it. You've navigated the main parts of Substack and created a simple post using the "What's on your mind" prompt.